Hello guys and welcome to Switchboard. In this video we'll talk about Zelda Breath of the Wild and the recent spoilers about the game. We'll not talk about the spoilers themselves, but what the spoilers are. So let's get started. So the recent spoilers for Nintendo Zelda Breath of the Wild have been found on 4chan. These spoilers are not really spoilers yet, but they have the potential to become spoilers. Basically, it's voice files which have been extracted from the Nintendo Wii U version. These voice files, however, are encrypted, which means they have to be decoded first. This might not happen before the release of the game, which by then we will have a lot of videos about Zelda Breath of the Wild. Also here on this channel, both spoilers and without spoilers. The other spoiler about the game is basically just the map which we have seen before. I'll not show the map here just to not spoil anyone, but this map showed the 4 bosses in the game, or 4 of them. There are of course more, and of course it shows more about Calamity Ganon, but I'm sure some of you already have seen this map and the whole shy culture from it. If you don't know the map and want to look it up, you can look it up safely on the internet. There's nothing spoileries about it. So with that said, you can safely surf around the internet for now, but don't go to 4chan and look up the current spoilers. There might come some and there might not come some, but as it is with many games, spoilers has the tendency to slip just a few days before a game comes out. So don't look up if you don't want to be spoiled, because this game is a mystery and I like it, and I don't want to be spoiled for once. I don't want to know the story, I want to experience it in game. Before I end this video, I just want to highlight that this will be Zelda week, and when the games come out I will stream the game either on Twitch or here on YouTube. I haven't decided yet, but please follow to see the stream if you are not able to buy the game. Thank you for watching this video.